I've never seen anything like that before. Can't wait to see it in action.
We bought impact drill attachments for this so that you don't have to do this. It's not gonna go down because it's on screws there.
It's on set screws.
It's on set screws.
But anyways, we're making little beam dollies.
Beam dolly.
And we're waiting for casters to come in. These are going to be adjustable, so then depending on what size of the beam, we can lift it up and work comfortably.
Depends on the
rule of thumb.
Type of work we're going to be doing.
Don't have the casters on here yet, but they're already proving to be quite useful. Yeah?
Sure.
Adjustable height benches. And starting on the bell tower. Got the first joint done. And then Matt's working on his. Got the layout done. Starting on that one.
This is fun.
Do you have anything to say for yourself?
This tool really saves us on some time.
Oh yeah.
That was probably took 40 minutes by hand. About measuring, I would say 600 pounds. Timber framing. The goal is to get a 10-inch with the mortise. And if all goes right, I think it fit in really nicely.
Look at that.
That's pretty decent.
I am really happy with the way that these benches turned out. These wheels lock super easy and they hold real nice. And then when we've got the bigger timbers, you know, you just kind of manipulate wherever you need to go, move it around and work with it. But we did a set of 4, so we could do 2 timbers at once. And then they're adjustable. So we've got the jack in here, and that runs this glue lam up and down inside this pocket. And then we also back up with some metal carriage bolts that catch the bottom of this glue lam, as well as the weight is on the jack. It's pretty neat. Our caster's on, and these little workbenches are going to be to secure the beams, and then so we can work on them at different heights. But check this out.
We were doing that by hand the other day. That makes it so much faster.
Too much fast.
Too fast.
Work is done. Now we're home. Got a 2-day sourdough batch going. Throw that and bake it tomorrow. Working up another one. Just a 12-hour sourdough, and then we still gotta throw the crock pot in and
Doing brisket tonight.
doing brisket.
That's gonna be a slow roast as well. It's like a 7-hour slow cooking.
Got some butter, some onion, some garlic chopped up. Look at that brisket. Look at it. I mean, the thing like literally has to barely fit in.
You know, meat and potatoes. Meat and potatoes kind of guys.